back to Pivot in Faith. So welcome back here to week 2 of our seed starting journey. So I want to give you guys an update on, well, we're 9 weeks out from our last frost date first. But we started some seed last week, and I wanted to give you guys an update on this journey from week 1 or 10 weeks out from our last frost date. So we did 5 trays last week. The way it worked was it took a lot because it takes a lot to do this. So trying to get the organization down, strategy down, so the videos are not so long. But I wrote it down that we did 2. Well, we did them all last week, but these 2 were done the same day. These 2 were done the next day, and this were done the following day. So all 5 were definitely done last week. So in tray 1, which is this one here, which is our 3 onion set. So this is what we have so far. It was a Rosa di Milano onion, the Australian brown onion, and the evergreen buncheon onion. We do plan on planting more onions because we use a lot, and we want to see how long or how much we need to plant or how long it would save to last us for the next planting season. So, but we also want to take them to the market as well. So this is what we have so far germinating from week 1. Also, the next bin that was done on the same day as this one, which have 3 different cauliflowers in it, Russian kale, Morris heading, collard green, broccoli, 2 different types of broccoli. So this is what we have this far in this tray that has germinated from last week, and we are using the humidity domes on these with our lighting that we updated to. Also, roughly a week ago, well, still a week ago, but the next tray was this one, and we have in this 3 types of lettuces. These 3 we grew last year, so of course they germinated well, but we didn't start this early. So we have these 3, which is black seeded Simpson, red, I think it's red Salis lettuce, butter crunch lettuce. Then we have 4 celery. So we have Utah, tall, tango, red venture, and Chinese pink. So we're gonna see, we tried celery last year, nothing came. So trying again here in year 2. In the next tray, we have, again, some more lettuce. We love salads around here. So we have 4 herbs: catnip, lemon balm, skullcap, ashwagandha. We have flashy green. I probably should have looked at that paper to make sure I say that right. Flashy green butter oak, Murlocs red oak leaf, Paris Island cost, those romaine. Those are the lettuces. So as you know, they have already germinated. The lettuces came less than the packaging germination rate, date, or duration. So I'm thankful for that. And then we have the 3 eggplants on the end. Nothing has germinated there. So this is what it looks like. Don't know if you can see those 4 lemon balm have already sprouted and came up. So that's what we have in this tray. And then finally, tray number 5, which is our peppers. We have 12 types of peppers growing here. So, but nothing has germinated. And of course, we're waiting for our late plant labels to come so we can put those on these last 3. So on week 2, which I started 2 trays, but we're only going to do 1 for week 2. Still deciding what else to do. Wasn't much needed to be done this week. But so in it says that the bergamot is a perennial. The echinacea is a perennial. We got these seeds, some of these seeds from Fedco. Lavender is a perennial. Takes 21 days to germinate, so we definitely may have to wait a while for that one. We have the hyssop, which is a perennial. We have the banquet dill, Fedco, parsley, Fedco. This one says soak the seeds. Do you guys soak your parsley seeds before you start them? We have to come back and do it and soak it and see. Flat leaf parsley here. Scatter seeds, but do not cover. So I got to remember that. Do not cover them, but scatter them. Okay. And then we have the common oregano, which is from Botanical Interest. I believe I got this from Whole Foods. They say start 2 to 4 weeks out, but I'm going to start it because I was listening to the Gardener's Journey, Sister Barbara, and she was saying start it early. Maybe that's why some of my herbs didn't come last year. I didn't start them early enough, and the sun just scorched them. So we're going to start this one early on the list. Then we have Greek oregano. It just says spread slowly as clump. Okay. Lovage. Something new. We're going to say this heirloom herb has a delicious celery-like flavor that will brighten your favorite summer dishes. An easy to grow heirloom with soft green colored leaves and an elegant arching habit. Loved by pollinators. So we definitely want to plant this one. So this is by Annie's. Of course, rosemary. We planted some, nothing did come. So we're going to try again and start early. She also said start this early, but I just realized this seed says start indoors, stratify seed. Okay, so maybe that's another one I need to put in the refrigerator because I put the lavender, the hyssop, and the echinacea in the freezer refrigerator. So if it doesn't come, I guess we're going to start again. And finally, the thyme, which would be our last one. So I'm looking forward, which didn't come as well. So I'm looking forward to starting it early so we can see. Which is an herb, and it is highly valuable for its antioxidants and medicinal properties. So we're definitely growing that. So that is what we're going to grow today. So we're back and we have finished putting our seeds in. I taped it so next time you guys see an update, they should have their labels in it. But this is the tray we just finished for week 2. And we're going to put the dome on it and put it in our growing station or on our growing station. So this is what we have done in week 2, all herbs. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to join us on this journey. And if you do not have a seed calendar, just check the almanac or your local USDA zone to figure out what your zone is and count to see what your first and last frost dates are. I was encouraged to create a seed calendar by Sister Barbara from the Gardener's Journey, so you can create your own as well. So anywho, join us on this journey as we plant and get ready for spring planting and summer harvest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.